for joining me in my presentation today. How did it go?
Oh, it was incredible. Like, I just loved how many like references there were to like I love superheroes, so having that in there like really helped keep my attention, kept me engaged, and yeah. So just the way you made it personable for us, I really liked that aspect of it for sure.
Nice. And so what's one thing that you got away from this presentation, Mark?
Yeah, one thing that I loved about it was just that emphasis on don't let people push you around, don't let the students in your class push you around, the admin as well, like you will work together, become part of that team there.
I love it. Thank you. And that will definitely support you. Yes. What about you, Em?
I really like the advocacy piece of letting, it be your space in your classroom and not letting the other people dictate how you run things. I really like that.
That's right. And what about your health? How do you see that? Because the whole point was also, so having control in your classroom is going to be incredible for your mental space.
Mm-hmm.
What other strategies did you take away from today?
I loved hearing your own personal experiences, hearing about other people experiencing burnout and how you can get out of that. It does happen there, so learning from other people's experiences is what I think is just another huge takeaway that I have from there. So just that idea of prioritizing your mental health as well.
I also like the level aspect of recognizing where you're at with your mental health and then being able to take steps to remedy that and look after yourself and being able to recognize that.
So awesome. So what's one thing for your mental health that you will do in your first year teaching?
I'm going to take at least 5 days off
Yes!
in those first couple months.
You know it!
Yeah. I've already got 2 planned that'll go to Toronto. Like I have that
Beautiful.
little
I love
vacation
it.
there.
So healthy.
I'm going to
so
take
healthy.
those days off, and then I'm also going to plan because I like doing day trips down to the GTA, so
it.
making day plans on those
Yes.
days.
Health days all the way. Because why take a sick day if you can do preventive measures? Thank you so much for sharing. All right.
Thank you so much for
coming in.
coming
And you're going to do great
in.
next
Yeah.
year.
Thank you.
Okay, take care, you guys.